चीज कसती जगत भर पानी काली जगत भर पानी काली जगत भर पानी काली जगत भर पानी काली
One day, a child asked her father, "Father, what's the value of my life?" Father said, "Really, you want to know what's the value of life? Okay, you take a stone and go to market. Boy, take a stone and go to market and stand there. And after a few minutes, old woman comes to him and asks, "What's the value of money?" Boy doesn't say any single of word. He rises up to feet.
Of science. We all know the evolution of science is like a boon to the world, and today life is governed and controlled by the offshoots of science, and it is very difficult to imagine existence without them. We all know 21st century is the century of science. We do almost all work with the help of science and technology. The clean growth of country is totally depend on the growth of science and technology. And we all know the value of science and technology in our lives. Different invention of science has made impossible things possible, and everyday life simple and stress-free as well. On the other hand,
what is the importance of English language? English language is our international language. If you know English language, then we have lots of opportunity to get job easily. English not a just language. English can develop our personality. If we want to go to out of country, then you must need to English language. Without English language, you can survive easily in other country.
We are living in the broken world. Even our families structure in getting smaller day by day. The new generation of the kids inspired in their grandparents' guidance and happiness caring. But why is a joint family? First important is the most important is the children. Children spend the time alone after school. But alone because the parents go on the.
वेदों में तो किस्से हैं, इतिहास उन्हें बस रहने दो. वेदों में तो किस्से हैं, इतिहास उन्हें बस रहने दो. तुलसी काली को मूक रखो, पुस्तकों में सिमटे रहने दो. अरे भारत माँ का मस्तक भी पीड़ा से तब झुक जाता है जब भारत माँ का बच्चा ही हिंदी कहने में शर्माता है. अरे माथे का चंदन है हिंदी. क्या है पंक्तियाँ देखिए. माथे का चंदन है हिंदी, भारत का वंदन है हिंदी, गौरव का वर्धन है हिंदी, लौटा जो अभिनंदन है वह हिंदी.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस रही जो तेरे लिए सौदर्द से महफूज रही तेरी आन से चली चलन मेरी रही न रही. है मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क का फीका न पड़े कभी आज से निकल के कौन कहे. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा तेरी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा तेरी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. हाँ हाँ सांसों झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ इतना गे तेरा मेरा साथ।
According to the Wikipedia, you might know this, that India is the largest manufacturer of newspaper in the world, and it sells 78.8 million copies per day, means 7.88 crores of copies per day. Now I am going to tell you about its importance. There are various fields in which newspaper is important for us. Few of them are: newspaper is important in education. How? I'll tell you. Reading newspaper will help you to increase your word power, and it will help you to find words which can be useful for you in the future. Continue reading can help you know about the.
Once you back, you have to just find a reason and get up again. Try and try again. Feed your mind, for do your best and for your success.
It is good thinking about success and goals and achieving our success. I want to tell you upwards on Hindi. सक्सेस की खास आदत यह होती है कि मेहनत करने वालों पर ही फिदा होती है। थैंक यू सो मच।
करेक्टर ऑफ हैप्पी लाइफ जो कि इंटरमीडिएट की पोएम है। इस पोएम में किसी मनुष्य का जो चरित्र है वो कैसे उज्जवल हो सकता है।
आने से उसकी आए बहार, आने से उसकी आए बहार, जाने से उसकी जाए बहार। बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। गुनगुनाए ऐसे जैसे बजता हो घुंघरू कहीं पे, आँखी पर्वतों से जैसे गिरता हो झरना जमी पे। झरनों की मौज है वो, मौजों की रवानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा।
My topic name is unemployment. Unemployment occurs when a person who is actively searching for employment is unable to find work. That is called unemployment. It used as a measure of the health of the economy, and National Sample Survey Organization defined employment and unemployment. There are many unemployment in India. Not only there are many unemployment in India, but also there are many unemployment in the world. Firstly, seasonal unemployment. It is unemployment that occurs during certain as a year. Agriculture in India have work throughout the year. Now, cyclical unemployment. It is a
तेरे जाने के बाद लगता है